about mangoes. A and B each have a certain number of mangoes. A says to B, if you give me 30 of your mangoes, I will have twice as many as left with you. B replies, if you give me 10, I will have thrice as many as left with you. The question is, how many mangoes does each of them have? Let's define our variables. Let X be the number of mangoes A has, and Y be the number of mangoes B has. Let's translate the first statement from A. If B gives 30 mangoes to A will have X plus 30, and B will have Y minus 30. A says, I will have twice as many mangoes as you have left. So X plus 30 equals 2 times Y minus 30. Now, for B's statement, if A gives B 10 mangoes, A will have X minus 10, and B will have Y plus 10. B says, now I will have 3 times as many as you have left. So Y plus 10 equals 3 times X minus 10. Let's write both equations more clearly so we can solve for X and Y. Let's expand both equations. First equation, X plus 30 equals 2Y minus 60. That is, X plus 30 equals 2Y minus 60. Rewrite as X minus 2Y equals negative 90. Now, the second equation, Y plus 10 equals 3 times X minus 10. That is, Y plus 10 equals 3X minus 30. Rearrange. Y minus 3X equals negative 40. Now, we've got two equations with two unknowns. Let's solve them step by step. Let's multiply the first equation by 3, so we can eliminate X when we add the two equations. Now add the first equation, 3X minus 6, Y equals negative 270, and the second equation, negative 3X plus Y equals negative 40. The X's cancel, and we get negative 5, Y equals negative 310. Divide both sides by negative 5 to find Y. Negative 310 divided by negative 5 is 62.